The PlayStation 5 has been on the market for some time now, and as with any electronic device, certain issues may arise. Let's delve into a teardown to explore what repairs we can potentially undertake ourselves. To remove the outer shell, gently lift the top and slide it downwards. It may be a bit tight the first time due to the strong engineering plastic. Once the shell is removed, you'll encounter various screws. While the SSD slide uses standard Phillips head screws PH1, most others require a specialized T8H Torx screwdriver. If you don't have one, consider purchasing a GTN30 screwdriver set. Make sure to remove all screws and mark their positions, as they are of different lengths. Mixing them up will make reassembly time-consuming. Detach the disk power cables. Slowly lift the protective cover. Detach the disk data cables. Remove the disk box. This is a common failure point, so if your PS5 is having trouble reading disks, this might be the culprit. Unscrew all T8H screws. Disconnect the antenna. Lift the metal cover. There is thermal paste underneath, so it might be a bit resistant. There are two more screws underneath the anti-side cables. Gently lift the motherboard. There is thermal paste underneath, so apply a little force. Flip the motherboard over and you'll see liquid metal on the CPU. Be extremely careful with liquid metal, as it is corrosive and can damage the internal circuits if it leaks. Follow the same steps as removing the top cover. Remove the fixing screws. Remove the heatsink. This is very heavy, so be careful when lifting it. Sony has put a lot of effort into the PS5's cooling system. Access the power supply. This is the most difficult part to replace and requires removing almost all other components. If you're planning to disassemble your PS5 after watching this video, please remember to mark the screw positions. Avoid touching the liquid metal. I hope this helps.